Good day everyone. In today's geometry challenge, we are going to calculate for angle y. And I'm going to introduce you to two methods. And here we go for the first method. Let's trace out this triangle containing our y. Just follow my red ink. Here we go. We have it now. Then up we go. Now considering this red triangle, this is what you have. You have something like this. You have 100 here, you have y here, and let's label this place A. So that means if I know my A, then I can calculate for y. Alright, that's pretty easy. But how am I going to calculate for A? Let me trace out another triangle that will help us to be able to calculate for A. Alright, so follow my blue ink. Here we go, here we go, and here we go. Look at that small triangle. I'm going to draw it down here. Alright, we have this, we have that. So this is our A. Let me label this as B and this place as C. So let me call here B and let's call here C. Now we can see that angle on a straight line is equals to 180. Okay, so B and 115, they are on a straight line. So we have B plus 115 is equals to 180. So what's our B? If we subtract 115 from both sides of the equation, that will be 180 negative 115, and B is going to be 65 degrees. So we have our B now to be 65 degrees. So let's put it down here, 65 degrees. So what about our C? As for angle C, just follow my green ink here. We have C and 105 on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. So that's C plus 105 is equals to 180 degrees. So what's our C now? C is equals to 180 negative 105. So C is going to give us 75 degrees. So our C here is 75 degrees. Now we have B to be 65 degrees and we have C to be 75 degrees. So we can proceed to find A. Alright, so considering this triangle now, let us find A. We know that sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. So our B is 65, C is 75, equals to 180 degrees. So A plus 140 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So subtract 140 from both sides of the equation. So A is equals to 180 negative 140. So A is equals to 40 degrees. Alright, so we have our A to be 40 degrees. Now we can find Y. Now considering the red triangle, sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So Y plus 40, this is the 40 plus 100, yes, the 100, and is equals to 180 degrees. So here we have 40 plus 100, that's 140 degrees, is equals to 180. So subtract 140 from both sides of the equation. So we have 180 negative 140. So Y is equals to 40 degrees. Now let's consider the second method. What we are going to do in this method is that we're going to trace out a shape that contains the four angles, the three known angles given and the unknown angle that we're looking for. Now let's trace it out. Let's have it, just follow my red ink. Yes, here we go. Good, good. Alright, so we can take that as the bottom of the shape. Okay, and this now goes up, boom, it goes up, follow my red ink, boom, goes up again, boom, and it comes down. Alright, okay, boom, it comes down. Good. So what do you have here? 115. What do you have here? 105. And what do you have here? 100. And what do you have here? Y. So it's a four-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a quadrilateral. The sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degrees. So let's add up. Y plus 115 plus 105 plus 100, that's going to give us 360 degrees. So when we sum up 115, 105 and 100, that's going to give us 320 degrees is equals to 360 degrees. So we can subtract 360 from both sides of the equation. So we have 360 negative 320. So here we have y is equals to 40 degrees. If you have another method to solve this problem, you can discuss it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.